so it started raining. So as a result, we're now bowling. Here comes Dan. He's got 51 on the split. Just got a double strike. Dan's not going to be happy. Let's have a look at Happy Dan. Kieran with the 2 X's. Here comes Dan with whatever he's got. Oh. Got the lead by about 19. Not happy. Second game. 65 and 53, and he's gone for the 2. And it ends with game 2. Bye. Well, today has been a complete washout. We had lesson in the morning, and then rain came down, so we did some bowling. That was alright. And then I got this from the gift shop, which is my first black, which is good. Not quite sure I'm going to put it yet, but we'll stick it somewhere. And then we're just going to chill here, and then tomorrow we're going to screw this resort and go to Montgenèvre. So we have cab and stuff booked, so that should be fun. See how that is, do some runs there, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow.